Approximately 6 to 8 million dogs and cats are surrendered to animal shelters each year, and of those, 3 to 4 million are euthanized nationwide. That number could be greatly reduced if more compassionate and educated human beings were to take in these furry babies and give them the homes that they so desperately need and deserve. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about reasons of why exactly there are so many animals in shelters, some common misconceptions, and why you should adopt your next dog or cat from your local animal shelter. First off, you may wonder, why are there so many animals in shelters and why are so many being euthanized every year? Well, according to Humane Society, the answer is simple: low adoption rates. These animals are most commonly relinquished by their owners. They are either being found on the side of the road by animal control officers or private citizens. And due to these factors, rescue groups and animal shelters are faced with a large number of dogs and cats desperately needing homes. Um, the Humane Society tries to educate the local population every day on some of the reasons of why there are so many animals being given up. One of the big reasons is not enough people are getting their animals spayed and neutered. Also, some of the reasons is these local animal shelters and rescue groups really heavily rely on donations and fundraisers, and they are just simply not getting enough of that, or if animals are not being adopted out at the same rate that they're being taken in, there simply isn't enough space, and unfortunately these agencies are forced to euthanize these animals. Also, some of the reasons they're not being adopted out are just purely common misconceptions by the public. Some of the misconceptions include that these pets have behavioral issues, that they are not housebroken, or maybe they're not purebred. When in fact, most of these animals have no types of behavioral issues. They are simply relinquished by their owners because they may have some kind of change in status. Maybe they're moving and they can't take them with them, or they simply can't afford them anymore, or they may just be heartless individuals that just don't care and don't want to deal with their animals any longer. And regarding the purebred issue, actually 30% of animals that are going into these animal shelters are in fact purebred, if that's something you're interested in looking for. So now that you understand some common misconceptions, let's talk about why exactly you should adopt your next pet, dog, cat, whatever animal it may be, from your local animal shelter. So a lot of times you will actually receive an animal that is more healthy than one you would receive in a pet store. Pet stores will take animals that are bred in puppy mills. If you're not familiar with a puppy mill, they treat their animals very inhumanely. They treat them just purely as for reproductive purposes. They aren't giving them the proper nutrients and vitamins that they need, and a lot of these times these animals are very, very ill, and the mothers and dads are ill, and the babies are on the verge of it when they're being given to the pet stores. When you adopt a pet from an animal shelter, they're probably going to be one of the healthier ones that you could find. One, purely they're legally not able to be adopted out if they're not healthy. The animal shelter rescue group will get them checked out by local vets, and a lot of time the local vets will actually sponsor these animals, so they may either spay or neuter them for free or at a very discounted rate, or give them their vaccinations for free or discounted. Any type of issues they may be having, they're definitely willing to work with people and help them out. And one of the biggest reasons to adopt from your animal shelter is simple: save a life. Give these little babies a second chance at life and give them the love that they so desperately deserve. I have two dogs that I both adopted from kill shelters when I was living in Alamogordo, New Mexico. They are wonderful. One of them, I actually have a boxer. She's purebred, so there goes that misconception. And the other one, we rescued the day before she was going to be euthanized. Both of them are just sweethearts and wonderful, and one of the most positive additions to our family. So as you can see, the reasons to adopt are endless and positive. So today I talked to you about reasons of why there's so many animals in animal shelters, some common misconceptions, and why you should adopt your next animal from your local animal shelter. I hope next time you're thinking about adding a furry addition to your family that you remember my speech and adopt from an animal shelter. Thank you.